April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. One resource in our community is Faces of Hope. They aim to help those affected by domestic violence, sexual violence, child abuse, elder abuse, and stalking. Today, we're joined by Executive Director Paige Dinger. Paige, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me. This is exciting.
So I guess how busy is Faces of Hope right now with people coming in for help?
We've seen a 27% increase yearly. So on an average day, we see about 23 people walk through our doors.
These are new people.
6 of those are new. So the 23 would be coming back for appointments, but 6 of those 23 would be brand new every single day.
And what kinds of services and resources do you offer them?
We provide wraparound support, so we're taking care of your medical, legal, emotional, educational, and also importantly is your basic needs for victims of interpersonal violence.
And that can include things like gas cards or a hotel stay, those kinds of things, right? Or even, I guess, glasses if they can't bring their glasses with them because maybe they had to escape the situation quickly.
So we often remind people it takes 7 times to leave your abuser. A lot of that is because it's scary. You know, you need access to your bank account. You're worried about your kids and feeding them. Your eyeglasses are broken. You have a cell phone. And so things can be kind of scary. So it's hard to leave somebody that you're supposed to love and is supposed to love you back. But that's why Faces exist, because we do have that.
And you're there for a lot of different types of victims, right? Can you cover that, that aspect of what you do too?
So you mentioned sexual assault. We're celebrating sexual assault awareness. It's also child abuse awareness this month. We also support victims of domestic violence, elder abuse, stalking, and human trafficking.
And your facility right now in downtown Boise helps a lot of people, but you just recently announced an expansion. Where is that going to be and what services will it offer?
So we have an amazing building supported by the county. And our building is unique now because we have partners in our building that provide great resources. It takes a village to provide wraparound services. However, we announced this past week that we're going to be opening a location in West Ada. We're looking kind of in the center in Meridian. We want it to be easy access, and we want to make sure that it's someplace that people in Meridian, Kuna, Eagle can find easily. But we're going to be a little bit different, unique. We're going to offer crisis counseling, case management, and legal support. This is important because over half of the victims that come to Faces Downtown come from West Ada, so we need a place.
And do you find that sometimes they don't show up for follow-up appointments just because of the distance?
Yeah, so we've been looking at those numbers, and we have a lot of people come back that have the zip code in Boise, but as we track the zip codes in Eagle, Star, Kuna, Meridian, they're coming twice, maybe 3 times. But when you have somebody who needs help, but needs to get away from an abuser, we need to find a more convenient location for them.
And of course, you are a nonprofit, and we have Idaho Gives coming up in a couple weeks. What is your situation as far as in terms of needing donations and how you operate off of that?
Yeah, we know that this is going to cost. It's going to cost us. We need a location. We're still looking for a very convenient location. And we know that we're going to provide more services. I think a lot of people in West Ada don't even know we exist. And so we need marketing dollars. We need dollars to support new clients that haven't known about us before. Idaho Gives is going to be a really important week. We're working with Kiki Love over at the Village, so Cycle to Break the Cycle that week.
That's great. And when do you hope to have the new facility open?
So our goal is October of 2023. We want it done before the end of the year. So the goal is October of 2023.
Get it done this year.
Get her done.
Paige Dinger with Faces of Hope. So much good information and great resources that you offer the community.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. And we'll be right back.